The specification for the use of gypsum panels in wet areas is found in Section 14 of the GA-216 2021 Application and Finishing of Gypsum Panel Products. Opening to page 27 in the GA-216 2021 manual, you will see Section 14, Application of Gypsum Panel Products to receive adhesively applied ceramic or plastic wall tile or plastic finished wall panels. Special note, consult gypsum panel product manufacturer for recommendations regarding the use of specific gypsum panel products as a base for tile in wet areas. Special note, the use of water-resistant gypsum backing board as a base for tile in wet areas is regulated by local codes. Consult local building codes for requirements. This specification is also noted on page 35 in the appendix as seen here. Turning to page 29, you find two more specifications regarding gypsum panels in wet areas. Special note, the only gypsum panel product permitted to be used as a base for tile in wet areas in the International Building Code and the International Residential Code is coded glass mat gypsum panels and complying with ASTM C1178-C1178M. Section 14.3.1, gypsum panel products used as a base for tile or wall panels in wet areas shall not be foil backed and shall not be applied over any vapor retarder. And finally, on page 30, the specification reads, Section 14.5.3, joints and fastener heads shall be finished to a minimum level 2 as described in GA-214 recommended levels of finish for gypsum board, glass mat, and fiber reinforced gypsum panels. Treatments of the joints under tile in wet areas shall be performed using thin set or tile adhesive, not joint compound. For more information, please visit our website at gypsum.org. If you have any further technical inquiries, please contact info@gypsum.org.